my name is Haley from Close to Home.
And I'm Jennifer from Close to Home in Glastonbury.
And today we're so excited to show you these new fabrics that just came in from Seth Apter. These are really cool from his new collection and we're so excited to show you. And he is coming to our store in Glastonbury, Connecticut on September 23rd. That's a Saturday from 11 to 2, so you can meet him. And we're so excited to show you these really cool fabrics.
They're so beautiful and versatile, and they come in so many great colors, and it feels so nice. And I'm really excited about this one. It's called Storyboard, and it's just so funky, and the colors are great. It's different and fun and fresh. I just love it, and I'm really excited it's here and that Seth is gonna be here in September to talk to us. That one's awesome. And that's it. Please come on and visit us. Check it out.